Hello friends, welcome to my channel Words and Expressions. Word number 1. Abhorrence. It is a noun. It means hate coupled with disgust. One example is, she looked at him in abhorrence. We can also write it as, she looked at him with abhorrence. The common word hatred can be replaced with abhorrence. Now I am going to discuss two prepositions which are used interchangeably by a lot of people. But there is a hairline difference between those two prepositions. And those prepositions are amid and among. We can use amid normally with the things that cannot be separated or counted. One example is, the little boy stood there amid the ruins and cried. One more example is, the children looked for the button amid the gravel. And the second preposition, among, is used with countable nouns that can be separated or counted. One example is, we found the tape among the books. One more example is, she looked among her clothes for the diamond ring. Our fourth expression is, to make both ends meet. It means to live within one's income. So we can use it as, the cost of living has increased so much that he finds it difficult to make both ends meet. One more example is, they could hardly make both ends meet and their debts were piling up. And here, piling up means to increase. Our last expression is, set one's face against. It means sternly opposed. For example, as a social reformer, he set his face against Noch parties. The word Noch means a traditional dance performed by professional dancing girls in South Asia. Let us give a quick revision. Word number 1, abhorrence, hate coupled with disgust. Amid, preposition, is normally used with the things that cannot be separated or counted. Word number 3, preposition, among, used with countable nouns that can be separated or counted. Expression number 4, to make both ends meet. It means to live within one's income. And our last expression, set one's face against. It means sternly opposed. So here we have completed today's 5 words and expressions. Any type of suggestions will be highly appreciated. Feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. Thank you.